In a turbulent twist of fate, the majestic Airbus A380 sent shockwaves through the fleets of aviation giants Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad. Once hailed as a symbol of opulence and grandeur, this colossal aircraft proved to be a double-edged sword, leaving these renowned airlines in a state of perplexing turmoil. As the dust settles, questions arise about the future of air travel and the consequences of this monumental blunder. Upon its launch, the A380 soared to immediate success, capturing the attention and admiration of airlines worldwide. With high hopes and great expectations, Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad eagerly integrated the A380 into their fleets, envisioning unrivaled passenger experiences and unparalleled profitability. Little did they know that this would mark the beginning of an unexpected and challenging journey. As the aviation industry reached new heights, the Airbus A380 emerged as a symbol of ambition and luxury. Amidst this soaring popularity, Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Etihad Airways placed substantial orders for the groundbreaking aircraft, positioning themselves for unparalleled growth. These visionary airlines saw the A380 as a key component of their expansion strategies, enabling them to dominate long-haul routes and capture the attention of discerning travelers. With their eyes set on the future, they bet big on the A380's capacity and unmatched passenger experience. However, as the industry landscape shifted, the unexpected challenges and changing market dynamics would put their reliance on the A380 to the ultimate test, leaving their strategies hanging in the balance and raising vital questions about the future of these once dominant airlines. As airlines navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the aviation industry, they face a multitude of challenges, starting with changing market dynamics. Passengers' preferences have taken a notable turn towards smaller, more fuel-efficient aircraft, forcing airlines to reevaluate their fleet strategies. The rise of direct flights has further compounded this shift, with travelers increasingly opting for non-stop routes instead of traditional hub-and-spoke models. This trend has prompted airlines to reassess their network strategies, focusing on optimizing point-to-point connections. Moreover, economic and geopolitical factors continue to cast a shadow on the industry, affecting airline operations and profitability. Fluctuating fuel prices, trade tensions, and political instabilities have added additional layers of complexity to the decision-making process for airlines. In this dynamic environment, airlines must adapt swiftly and strategically to remain competitive and meet the evolving demands of their passengers. The Airbus A380, once considered an engineering marvel, confronted airlines with a daunting challenge in the realm of environmental concerns and sustainability. One of the main drawbacks of this colossal aircraft was its high fuel consumption and emissions. As aviation started to face mounting pressure to address its carbon footprint, the A380's inefficiency became increasingly apparent. With each flight, the immense fuel requirements of the A380 contributed to significant greenhouse gas emissions, making it difficult for airlines to comply with stricter environmental regulations. As global awareness of climate change escalated, governments and international bodies imposed stricter emission standards and regulations on the aviation industry. These regulations aim to curb the industry's environmental impact, particularly the carbon emissions produced by aircraft. Airlines operating the A380 found themselves struggling to meet these stringent requirements, facing increased scrutiny and potential penalties for failing to reduce their carbon footprint. The mounting environmental concerns and rising public demand for sustainable air travel placed immense pressure on airlines to take proactive measures to reduce their carbon footprint. They were compelled to explore alternative solutions, such as investing in more fuel-efficient aircraft, adopting sustainable practices throughout their operations, and exploring biofuels as a greener alternative to traditional jet fuels. The Airbus A380's colossal size brought with it a set of financial implications that proved to be a heavy burden for Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad. One of the primary challenges was the soaring operational cost incurred by these airlines. Maintaining and operating the A380 proved to be a costly affair, with its four engines demanding extensive maintenance and the sheer size of the aircraft requiring specialized infrastructure and facilities. The magnitude of these expenses had a profound impact on the profitability and cost efficiency of the airlines. The high maintenance cost, coupled with increasing fuel prices and other operational expenses, significantly squeezed their profit margins. The hefty investment required to purchase and operate the A380 proved to be a challenging gamble for these carriers, as they struggled to offset the escalating costs. Moreover, the A380's massive capacity presented a unique obstacle in filling all the available seats. To maintain profitability, these airlines needed to consistently achieve high load factors, which became increasingly challenging in a competitive market. As the aviation industry witnessed a shift towards more fuel-efficient and flexible aircraft, the demand for such large-scale operations dwindled, leading to underutilized capacities and lower cost-effectiveness. The pandemic unleashed an unprecedented storm upon the aviation industry, causing a severe decline in air travel demand. As borders closed and travel restrictions were imposed worldwide, passenger volumes plummeted drastically. This sudden and unexpected disruption left airlines grappling with an existential crisis as they witnessed empty airports and grounded fleets. Among the casualties of this tumultuous time were the Airbus A380 fleets, once the pride of airlines like Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad. As travel demand evaporated, these colossal aircraft became a financial burden for carriers. The A380's large capacity, designed for high-density, long-haul routes, became ill-suited for the new era of reduced passenger numbers and travel uncertainty. Challenges faced by airlines extended beyond operational cost. The sheer size and complexity of the A380 made it difficult to park, maintain, and find suitable routes amid the unpredictable landscape. Airlines were forced to ground their A380 fleets, placing immense strain on their financial resources and operational flexibility. As the industry gradually recovers, airlines must reevaluate their fleet strategies, adapt to changing travel patterns, and navigate an uncertain future. The recovery efforts entail a delicate balance of cost-cutting measures, route optimization, and exploring innovative ways to entice passengers back to the skies. The retirement and reduction of A380 fleets by Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad marked a significant strategic shift in the aviation industry. Recognizing the evolving demands of passengers and the need for more efficient operations, these airlines made tough decisions to reshape their fleets. Emirates, once the largest operator of A380s, decided to retire a substantial portion of their A380 fleet. This move aimed to streamline their operations and focus on newer, more fuel-efficient aircraft like the Boeing 777X and Airbus A380. Similarly, Qatar Airways and Etihad Airways also opted to reduce their A380 fleets, seeking a more agile and cost-effective approach. The transition to more efficient and flexible aircraft models allowed these airlines to adapt to changing market dynamics. The newer aircraft offered improved fuel efficiency, reduced operating costs, and enhanced range capabilities. This shift not only aligns with sustainability goals, but also enables the airlines to explore new routes and expand their networks with smaller, more versatile aircraft. The impact of these fleet adjustments extends beyond operational considerations. Routes and network planning underwent significant changes as these airlines restructured their fleets. Certain destinations previously serviced by A380s may now be served by smaller aircraft, allowing for increased frequency and more convenient connections. While the A380 provided a luxurious and spacious experience, the shift to newer models ensures that passengers will still enjoy a comfortable journey while benefiting from improved technology and modern amenities. The future of the Airbus A380 hangs in the balance as industry experts speculate on potential secondary markets and opportunities for this iconic aircraft. While its primary operators, including Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad, have faced setbacks and fleet restructuring, other airlines may seize the chance to acquire these colossal birds. The A380 could find a new lease on life as a chartered luxury jet, or a unique solution for air cargo transportation. However, opinions differ on the chances of a resurgence in demand for the aircraft. Some argue that the A380's sheer size and capacity may no longer align with the evolving preferences of airlines and passengers, favoring smaller, more fuel-efficient planes. Others contend that the A380's spaciousness and ability to handle high-volume routes could make it an appealing option for certain markets, such as heavily congested airports. As the industry grapples with these competing perspectives, only time will tell if the Airbus A380 will reclaim its once glittering throne or fade into aviation history as a magnificent but outdated relic. As we wrap up our exploration of how the Airbus A380 impacted the fleets of Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad, it becomes clear that this aviation behemoth left an indelible mark on the industry. The unforeseen challenges faced by these renowned airlines serve as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between ambition and adaptability. While the future of the A380 remains uncertain, the story serves as a testament to the ever-evolving nature of air travel.